Yeah. Yeah, so I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The names remain the same. I'm Kenan Rhymes, a co-founder of Frando Technology Company. Yeah, so I welcome you all to your fresh and new episode on my humble and noble platform. Here, we'll talk about how to make money online, how to start your online business, and how to invest money online. Yeah, so today I want to show you how to make money online. And this one I want to use this one as an arbitrage form. Yeah. So pay attention to this one. Like, yeah. So people will be saying that, oh no, this platform, blah 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 blah. So relax and watch what I'm doing. Yeah. So I'll be using this platform and I'll be using Xness and I'll be using Binance as well. Yeah. So this is how I do it. Yeah. So you see this platform. This platform I use this platform to earn free USDT. Then I will sell it on Binance at a higher rate. How we get it? So this platform, there are two ways of making money on this platform: by investing and getting profits from it, and by render your service and what be paid for it. So I will show you the two ways and everything. So first of all, let me activate my Binance account. Let me check my bundle first because it seems I'm running out of bundle. Let me check my bundle first. It seems I'm running out of bundle. Okay. Let me switch it off and on and let me see. Yeah. So like right now on Binance, the USDT rate is very cool. When I checked yesterday, the rate is very cool. I'm coming. Yeah, the rate was very cool. Yeah. So yesterday I sold all my USDT yesterday. Yeah. And today I want to show you how I earn this USDT and sell it without putting any money inside. So that's what I want to show you right now. Yeah. So that's what I want to show you right now. Yeah. So let me log in to my Binance account. No connection. Bundle. The bundle. I'm coming. So this part of it here, at times this shows that if you're doing online business, you always have to what? Be alert because anything can happen anytime. Yeah, anything can happen anytime. So at least you have to make sure that you always have bundle. That's one thing about online business. You always have to have bundle. Yeah. So right now we are cool to go. I've I've activated a new bundle. So let me log inside. Better enter. So right now we are cool to go. We are cool to go. Yeah, yeah. So, so you have to make sure that all the accounts is locked inside. You see, right now I've sold all my USD, so I have only four. I I've sold all. So let me look inside to my Binance. Yeah, let me look inside to my Binance. Yeah. So a lot of people too were asking me that, bro, like I can't, like if I deposit money in my Exness account with through mobile money, I can't like send the money through USDT. So this video, I'll show you all the tricks in it. I'll show you everything. Yeah, I'll show you everything in it. Yeah. So this is my XNS and this is my other the NK More account. So I'll leave all the link in the description. But first of all, I'm not a financial coach. I'm just a student who love making money online. So it means that this video is for education and entertainment purposes. So I don't hold any responsibilities for any actions. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, so this is how I do it. Yeah. So when I come to this platform, you see they have two ways of making money on this platform. So we have the investment way and the hard way. So the investment way, you have to what, recharge the accounts. If you want to recharge, you click on here and recharge the accounts. Like so, the first VIP is for 10 USDT. So you copy your address here, the address here, and you go to XNES and deposit money inside. So the VIP one, if you recharge 10 USDT every day, you'll be getting 2.1 USDT. And if you recharge 70 USDT every day, you'll be getting 16 USDT. And if you recharge 300 USDT every day, you'll be drawing 75 USDT. You see that thing? Yeah. So that's how it is. So me, if I'm doing, I can recharge VIP2 and be getting 6.5 USDT every day. And this 6.5 USDT, I'll be selling it at a higher price. That's the first way of making money on this platform. And the second way is by you going into my team and I will see that share your referral link and start earning. So I'll start sharing my link, and when people join to the platform, and I'll show them that if you invest this thing and you'll be getting this, it will ginger them forward for them to invest, and they'll be earning money, and I'll also be earning money, and that money I'll be selling that money, that USDT at a higher price, and be earning more money. I'm talking a lot. Let me show you the action. Yeah. So in this session, this is what I did. I contacted them and I told them that I'll promote the platform for them, but they have to activate the VIP one for me, and they did it. So the VIP one every day I'll be withdrawing 2.1 USDT every day. So I'll click on this thing, task and complete, and it's completed successfully. So I'll go to the me and withdraw the money. So when you're withdrawing the money, make sure that you're adding the correct TRC address. So I'll go to my HNS account. And the reason why I don't deposit the money from this account to Binance account to this that me, if I put the money in HNS account, everything deposit and withdrawal is free. That is why I always put money in my HNS account because everything over there is free. Yeah. Yeah. So I'll go to my deposit and I'll click on USDT. Make sure that you're copying the right one because this platform receive only TRC20 address. So you have to make sure that you're copying the TRC20 address. Yeah. So you go to continue and you click on this to copy your TRC address and you come here and you paste it over here. And you enter the money you want to withdraw. That's 2.1. Then I'll go here to confirm it. So right now I've withdrawn the 2.1. So in short time, it will be in my Xness account. So when the money lands in my Xness account, when the money lands in my Xness account, then I will transfer the money from Xness account towards my Binance account. I hope you understand. Listen, let me go. Let me tell you more. Like this platform, this platform is here. It's an investment platform, and this platform there are two ways of making money on this platform: by investing and by render your service and get paid for it. And me, I render my service because I'm an influencer, and I try to promote their brand and they try to pay me. So the money they will pay me, I will transfer the money from this platform to Exchange account, and I'll transfer the money from Exchange account to Binance account and get profit from it because when I deposit the money from here from this account to Binance and I sell it on Binance have higher rates right now. So it means that if I sell it right now, I will get enough profit. So if I go to Binance right now and I go to trade, go to P2P. If I go to sell, so if I go to sell right now, you see, right now the rate is what 12.91. 12.91. So if I'm selling it, I'm also getting enough profit because I didn't invest anything to get that money. So if I also get it, that means I'm getting enough what profit from it. So that's how this app works. You see that thing? Yeah. So you just go to your team, copy this link, share to your friends. The more they are joining, the more they are investing, the more you are getting money to what to do your arbitrage. Or you can also invest, let's say, in the VIP2. So if you invest in the VIP2, the interest you'll be getting, that interest you'll be selling that interest on Binance and be getting profits from it. And just simple as that. It's that thing. It's just simple as that. You'll be getting interest from it. Yeah. So I will leave these three links in the description in case you want to use this combination and make money. Yeah. Or if you don't have this tool, you can also use this one. If you invest every day, you will draw your money to your Extent or Binance account, and if you're drawing it, that one is your own thing. Yeah, so I'll leave the links in the description in case you want to join and you want to also make money like how I always do. So the name's remain the same. I'm Ken Rhymes, and I'm out. Thank you for watching me, and don't forget to subscribe.